हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन म्यूचुअल फंड्स। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे म्यूचुअल फंड्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट म्यूचुअल फंड्स है हमारा IDBI इंडिया टॉप 100 इक्विटी फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ। इसकी रेटिंग है 4 स्टार। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म म्यूचुअल फंड्स आपको बाय करना है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइस, IDBI इंडिया टॉप 100 इक्विटी फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ, रेटिंग 4 स्टार। NAV नेट एसेट वैल्यू 38.5300। फंड की हाइलाइट्स। Current NAV, the current net asset value of the IDBI India Top 100 Equity Fund Direct Plan as of 23rd June 2022 is rupees 38.5300. For growth option of its direct plan, returns, its trailing returns over different time periods are 1.51% yearly, 14.48% 3 years, 10.08% 5 years, and 12.99% since launch. Various category returns for the same time duration are minus 0.79% yearly, first year, 10.74% 3 years, and 10.27% 5 years. Okay. Then third, fund size. The IDBI India Top 100 Equity Fund Direct Plan currently holds asset under management worth of rupees 566.82 crore as on May 31st, 2022. For expense ratio, the expenses ratio of the fund is 1.31% from direct plan as on 30 April 2022. Okay, expense ratio. Then 5. Exit load. IDBI India Top 100 Equity Fund Direct Plan shall attract an exit load of 1% if redeemed within first year. 6. Minimum investment required is rupees 5,000 and minimum additional investment is rupees 1,000. Minimum SIP investment is rupees 500. SIP means systematic investment plan. SWP means systematic withdrawal plan. Okay. IPO means initial public offer. FPO means follow on public offer. Okay. Things you should consider: riskometer, moderate high, moderate low, very high, low. Annualized return for the last 3 years 14.13%. Suggest investment horizon 3 years. Average time taken to double the money since inceptions 4 years 11 month. Fund NAV range. One month high low 37.810, 41.320. 52-week low high 37.810, 46.210. Asset allocation, investment growth, SIP and lump sum. Equity 98.32, debt 0.02, others 1.66. Technical chart. Equity, debt and others. Okay, basic details. Fund house IDBI mutual funds. Launch date 1st Jan 2013. Return since launch 12.84%. Benchmark Nifty 100 total returns index. Riskometer very high. Type open ended. Asset 566.82 crore as on 31st March 2022. Expense ratio 1.32% as on 31st May 2022. Risk grade below average and return code above average. Turnover 29.0%. Investment details: minimum investment 5,000, minimum additional investment 1,000, minimum SIP 500, minimum withdrawal limit 1,000. Exit load of 1% if redeemed within 1 year. Okay. Top 5 peer comparison: IDBI India Top 100 Equity Fund Direct Growth 3 years return 14.13%. Canara Robeco Blue Chip Equity Fund Direct Growth 3 years return 14.69%. Quant Focus Fund Direct Growth 17.57%. Baroda BNP Paribas Large Cap Fund Direct Growth 12.60%. Invesco India Large Cap Fund Direct Growth 11.70%. Okay, about fund investment objective and benchmark, asset allocation and portfolio composition, tax implications. Okay, about fund IDBI India Top 100 Equity Fund Direct Plan is open-ended large cap equity scheme which belong to IDBI Mutual Funds House. The fund was launched on 1st Jan 2013. Okay. Investment objective and benchmark. The investment objective of the fund is that this scheme seeks to provide investors with the opportunities for long-term capital appreciation by investing predominantly capital appreciations predominantly in equity and equity related instruments of large cap companies. It is a benchmark against Nifty 100 total return index. Asset allocation and portfolio composition, tax implications. Okay. ओके सो गाइज IDBI इंडिया टॉप 100 इक्विटी फंड डायरेक्ट ग्रोथ, ये फंड आपको बाय करना है। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक लॉन्ग टर्म म्यूचुअल फंड्स आपको बाय करना है। ओके, NAV नेट एसेट वैल्यू 38.5300, रेटिंग 4 स्टार। ओके सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही, कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार, बोलो राधे राधे।